Hi, I'm a junior Mechie,
I'm Ashley, I'm a junior in ECE.
and we're webmasters in knowledge management. So we update and maintain the project team website, and our primary goal is to spread information about Agua Clara to, or make the information about Agua Clara accessible to our team members as well as potential future members and people who are interested in learning more about Agua Clara, like investors. So we want to improve our current website, and while like the previous design was a big improvement, we still had like a couple issues that we want to fix. And main one being having information that's not intuitive like to find, and sometimes like the components can be a little bit more visually appealing, but we just want to make it better so that we can better promote our team when we tell other people to visit our website, and that's kind of their first impression of Agua Clara. So we started trying to fix our website with critiquing our current site and comparing it to other product team websites and seeing what like similarities we had or some like differences, and like how they made it so that it's clear to find like information. And we just want to improve the way that other people can find certain information. For example, in the previous website, the Join Us page didn't really really say that it's for future potential members. And if you wanted to learn more about recruitment, you had to scroll down to the bottom of the Join Us page, which is not usually something like potential members like would know about. So we want to make that easier and make a separate recruitment website, and we'll discuss that more later. We also had no support for the mobile devices, so if you looked up our website on our mobile phone, then it would be a lot of the text and components would be distorted, and sometimes if you want to learn more about us, that's a little bit hard to read and hard to like kind of get around. So we want to also fix that, since a lot of people like to use their phones to look things up.
So we found a lot of other small issues. For example, broken links. The contact us button currently leads us nowhere, and then we also found that there are confusing page names. So like Emma mentioned before, Join Us, we changed to Recruitment to make it a little bit more clear. And then we also saw that there was like poor code organization. So they had like 1,000+ line styling sheet to maintain all the items, like the styling for every item on every page, which is like more efficient for loading the page when the website is completed. But during development, it's difficult to maintain and debug any issues because you have to keep scrolling through. So we wanted to divide them into separate files during development. So this is a mock-up of our new recruitment page. So we are dedicating a page to recruitment so potential members can have access to this page and find any important information or dates that they might need. We added a section especially for freshman fall recruitment because it was we found it confusing to explain during Project Team Fest and Club Fest, so we wanted to have that available on the website. So the first thing that we changed was improving mobile support. So this is just an example of the recruitment page and what you should see on an iPhone. And not all pages have been fixed yet, but this just gives you a good idea of how they should all look eventually. Another thing that we changed was the navigation bar. So we wanted the navigation bar to be more intuitive for potential users looking to find more information about our team. So for example, we have a lot of publications that would give our team a little bit more credibility. So we added that to the About Us section. And then for the teams, we wanted a user to be able to navigate to the specific team that they wanted. So we added another drop down for that category as well. And then finally, we changed Join Us to Recruitment just to be more specific and clear. And we also changed the Donate button to make it a little more obvious and more aesthetically pleasing. For the impact page, we just updated the maps to reflect the ones that Agua Clara engineers are currently working on and continuously updating. And then for the sub-team pages, we updated the names for the teams and the team members, and then we changed the colors to give them a more cleaner and cohesive look. And then in the future, these pages will need to be updated every semester with new team members and team information. But this is just minimal maintenance, and then minimal coding knowledge is needed for this too. So we updated the recruitment page to make more important information accessible easily. So during recruitment, we can add important deadlines and links to applications at the top header image, which is not shown in this picture, but you can comment it in or out as needed. And then scrolling down, you can see that we updated the recruitment the recruitment dates, important dates for recruitment, and then also the courses and freshman recruitment information, which again can be commented out as needed.
Oh, so in the About Us drop down, we added a page called Publications, and this is where we can find all of Agua Clara's like research and like publications, and all the each individual like paper or research is linked. So if you just click on it, anyone can read it, and that's just to show that what like Agua Clara does and what like research we've done, and we want to showcase that.
And then this semester we're working on a feature to improve future website maintenance. So we're adding a feature where you can dynamically update or add team member information on the website using Google Sheets. So this will help maintain the website in the future, since you don't need to have access to the website server, nor do you need any coding knowledge. So for example, if you want to put in Sydney's name and her picture, you could put it in the Google Sheet, and then her name and email would be updated accordingly. We weren't able to finish this for this semester though, because we ran into a lot more problems with the formatting and like captioning the photos. So this is something that we'll work on for the future.
So for the future tasks of this group, we still have to fix the dynamic page programs, but that can be fixed next semester. We still need to fix some of the mobile display for on the phones, and there's just little small issues that we might have to fix, but that can be done before the end of the year.
Yeah, for example, like we need to fix the footers and like the navigation at the bottom of the page, but we should be able to finish that by the end of the semester.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Be sure to like,
subscribe,
and turn on that notification bell.
Yay!